Hello everyone, we are from Group 7 Class 12A6 consisting of Alan absent 3, Juan absent 17 and me Laurentia absent 19. On this occasion, our group will show a video on the theme of autism. Autism, often known as Autism Spectrum Disease (ASD), is a significant and complicated brain and nerve function illness that impairs human behavior and mental processes. Apparently, many famous people have autism. One of them is the Temple Grandin. Temple Grandin is a well-known person with autism spectrum disorder. Temple Grandin is a livestock scientist, author, and public speaker who has gained widespread acclaim for her contributions to animal welfare and livestock research. Grandin was born in Boston, August 29, 1947 to Richard Grandin and Eustacia Cutler. At the age of 3, Grandin experienced the early symptoms of autism, namely hating to be touched, being irritable, and very quiet. Grandin found it difficult to get to public school as a teenager. Apart from the inability of educators in America at the time to teach children with autism, Grandin peers frequently teased her. Grandin did not enjoy high school. However, there were two classes that made her enjoyable at the time: horseback riding and scientific laboratory. Young Grandin was also tutored by a teacher called William Carlock, who also worked for NASA to satisfy his scientific interests. Grandin spent the summers on her own ranch in Arizona. This piqued Grandin's interest since it was on the farm that she realized animals had routines and habits that people are unaware of. Grandin can form emotional relationships with agricultural animals like cows and horses. In reality, this link is far more benign than the human bond. She continued to pursue the things she could until she was successful and started to speak freely about the influence autism has had on her life and how it has assisted her in achieving success.
However, autism did not make her discouraged. She can achieve success from the shortcomings she has. The success achieved was due to several factors, such as visual perception ability. High visual perception ability is one of the special features of autism. Temple Grandin has an unusual capacity to grasp cattle's perspectives and perceptions, allowing her to build more compassionate livestock management techniques. Next is, Temple Grandin has a strong sense of persistence. She never quits up when faced with a difficulty, especially when it comes to the gaps in thinking and communication that she frequently suffers as a result of autism. Next is, Temple Grandin has a good understanding of herself. She is aware of her autistic symptoms and exploits them to her advantage. She understands how she thinks and views the world, which enables her to contribute in areas that correspond to her interests and expertise.
Temple Grandin is seeking advanced study and research in the realm of animal science. Her formal schooling and study assisted her in gaining extensive knowledge in his specialty. Temple Grandin improved social abilities throughout time and despite confronting problems in social relations. She learned to communicate and engage with individuals, which was useful in her profession as a cattle speaker and advisor. Temple Grandin is a leader in improving animal welfare and establishing more human livestock management practices. Her efforts in this area are influencing good change in the cattle business. Temple Grandin's accomplishments exemplifies how someone may use their unique qualities, including those associated with autism, to achieve tremendous success. She has also served as an inspiration to many persons with autism and their families demonstrating that autism spectrum disease do not restrict one's potential.